Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or create a Facebook business page. If you are interested in taking your Facebook advertising to the next level, you should check out the link in the description. Okay, so at this point let's just do a quick recap of what we have done so far. We have already created a business manager account, and that's why we are seeing this page. We created an ad account, set up a payment method, and tidied up our business manager details. Now, before we can start running advertising campaigns on Facebook, there is still one more thing that we need to do, and that is to use a Facebook business page. At this point you probably don't have a connected business page yet. So, what we are going to do is that we're going to start creating a new one, or add an existing page that you might have. To do that, we'll click on the Business Settings button, and wait for a few seconds. As you can see here, this account is brand new, so there are no connected pages yet. So we are going to click on the Add button, and we have three options here. The first option is to add an existing page. So if you have created a Facebook business page already, you can select this option and type in the name of the page you want to connect. By the way, I'm just using this page as an example. I'm just going to type something here. So, let's just say that this is a page that you own. You simply click on Add Page to connect it. Keep in mind that you have to be the original admin of the Facebook business page that you are trying to connect to. The other way to do this is to click on Request Access to a page. So, what is explained here is that your business needs to use this page on behalf of another business. So if you are working for an agency, normally you will have to click on Request Access to a page, and the admin of the page will have to give you access on his or her end. But let's just say that you don't have an existing page right now, which means that you have to create a new one. So we are going to do just that, and it's very simple. Let's create a brand new business page. There are many tutorials on how to do this out there. In fact, I'm a little hesitant to actually show you the process, because it's actually quite intuitive. But, I will just do this for the sake of the video. In this step, you are being asked to select a category for the page that you are creating. So, it's totally up to you to find the category that fits your business. Since this is just an example, I'm just going to click on Brand or Product. And I'm just going to give the page a simple name. You can call your page whatever you want, but in this case, I will just call it BMW Motorworks. The next step is to select a category for your business page. And I'm going to select the cars category for this one. When you have selected a category for your page, you click on Create Page and wait for a few seconds. So, here we are. We have just created an empty Facebook business page. At this point, you don't have to overthink this part. You don't have to use this page forever. If you don't like using this page, you can either change the name or just create another one. It's just that simple. So, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to edit your new Facebook business page.